Good morning, guys. I thought I would vlog today just because I haven't vlogged in a while. It's about 8 o'clock on Saturday morning and I'm still in my pajamas. Kind of what today looks like. It may not be like super interesting. Hey, Lily. I have a tennis ball. Share. You can share, Lily. You can share. Can't you? You guys can. You guys can share. Anyway, I'm gonna vlog today, and they just got lots of dirt on the rug. More cleaning. Always cleaning. Always cleaning. So we had a pretty late night last night. I was really exhausted. We're doing run-throughs of Sleeping Beauty at the moment, and I don't know what it is, but for the past like 2 days I have been like unusually tired. On Thursday, I fell asleep in the car on the way back to work during our lunch break, and then yesterday we got done early and I came home and then took a 3-hour nap in the middle of the day. And then I was still tired, falling asleep, and I'm still tired now. So, and anyway, let's see what Jake's doing. Whoa.
Is it zoomed up on my nose?
Zoomed up, right. He's making buttermilk pancakes.
Sounds excited.
And hi, Sophie. This is Sophie. This is a dog. We're dog sitting. She's an old girl. She's really sweet. There's Buddy. Hi, Bud. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh, Sky, which is very unusual. And there go the doggies. They've not had the yard for like 3 days. So this is our morning, and this is what our morning looks like. And our kitchen needs a little bit of a clean. And the drawers need closing.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Sir.
Sorry.
Husband, close the drawers.
Oh, look, even that one's open.
Like, if anybody else's spouses or boyfriends or whatever you want to call them don't close cabinets and drawers, let me know. We can create a club.
They can ship us off to an island and we can all live together.
Yeah.
With our open cabinets and unclosed drawers.
Yeah. Anyway, I didn't know if I showed you guys. I know in my Instagram stories a couple weeks ago we were redoing our range hood.
Oh yeah.
And we put in a new range hood, and we didn't know what to do with this above area here. And so I came up with the great idea of putting a chalkboard there. And so right now we have...
And I came up with the great technical skills of installing that great idea.
Yes, you did. But the creative part comes first.
Of course.
So we have this really cool chalkboard here, which we write like lists and whatnot on it. Reminders. So guys, I am going to show you my new smoothie concoction that I have for breakfast. While this man makes pancakes on a Saturday, I am going to make my everyday smoothie, protein smoothie that I have Mondays through Sundays. And then and repeat. That's not true. Sometimes I do change it up. But I have you set in this little inlet. So that's why I'm bending down so that you guys can see. Hi again. So we had breakfast and my smoothie, and I've showered, I've done the laundry, and let me show you guys, just so you, I've finally taken out my winter clothes out of my dresser, which is a very big accomplishment because it's been so many months having the same clothes in my dresser and my wardrobe. So I'm very proud of myself. So here's my dresser. I basically rolled everything, all my summer clothes and all my pajamas are all rolled. I haven't done my underwear drawer yet. So these are all my winter clothes that I need to put away in a box until next year. And I made the bed, and these pillows need to go back down to my guest room, filming room. And I was just watching YouTube videos. So I am actually getting my hair done today. I'm not getting a cut, I'm just getting my highlights redone, and I'm actually going to a new place this time because the place I was going to was like in the city, and because we live out of the city now, I just figured it's easier for me to find a place over here where we live. So that'll be interesting, and I'll show you the result. I'm gonna stay blonde, like blonde, but I really want to grow my hair out because I got it cut for a production of The Great Gatsby that we did in February, because I was dancing the role of Daisy, which is the lead role in case any of you guys didn't know. But I got it cut so they could do a certain hairstyle on me, and now I'm just like missing my long hair. So I'm in the process of just kind of going through that awkward middle length hair stage, which is not my favorite, but I'm doing the best I can with making myself feel somewhat attractive. Jake mowed the lawn, and now oh gosh, you okay? You're good. Now Miss Lily, even though she's on the bed, is all green, so I'm probably gonna bathe her when I get back from my hair appointment. Look at you, you're all green. Look at your paws, they're all green. We're gonna have to bathe you. Hi. What do you want? Do you want your lunch? Can you shake Mommy's hand? Shake hands. Don't lick it. Shake hands. Shake hands. Buddy, shake hands. Good boy. Show the fam how good you are. Yeah. You've always got mud on your nose. So my hair is done. I got back from the salon. I'm really happy with it. I'm now very blonde again, which I love. I'm ready for the summer. And I went to a new salon, I think I said that, and they curled my hair, which my previous salon never did that. And I felt like the guy that did my hair would always style it like I was an older woman, which was not my favorite. So I'm very pleased with this. And now we are going to take the doggies for a walk.
That's not a ball. No, that's a dryer ball. Inside.
We're struggling.
What?
Did Lily steal a dryer ball?
Yeah, she stole
Oh no.
a dryer
Lily, drop it.
Like that. I'll get it. There we go.
You sure?
Yeah.
Another Jake story. Vlogging with the doggies. Real life. Being a doggy parent. There we go. Such a good dad. So, I just had the most awkward experience. We're walking down our neighborhood, and I guess this is the first time I've walked through holding a camera, and this young boy sees me with my camera and says, shouts out, "Hey, are you a vlogger?" And I was like, "Yes."
What's your
And
YouTube?
then, what's your YouTube? And before I even had a chance to even think about what I was gonna say, I was just like, Emily Unger? And he was like, oh, okay.
Okay. And he ran inside.
And then he ran inside. And I'm like, I don't know if my channel is gonna really suit you. Like,
he's like, where's the Fortnite video?
I'm kind of like, you know, I don't know. We'll see. But it was very awkward.
Was. And he'll be watching this now and be like, oh.
I know. If you do see this, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. No hard feelings. Just, you know,
First time for everything.
making my way on YouTube, and if you subscribe, tell your friends. Thank you. So tell us, what's one good thing about your day?
This weather definitely is one of the nicest things we've had in a while.
Nice.
You,
Aw.
dog, the weekend, and food.
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 Let's see, what am I grateful for today? I'm grateful for the sun shining. I'm grateful for getting my hair done. I'm grateful for going on walks like this because we don't get a chance to do it very often. And it's really nice going out on family walks. And I'm also grateful that it's the weekend. And I'm grateful for my hubby. He makes me very happy and proud.
Thank you.
Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Are you a good girl? Hey, we got back from our walk and I just finished filming all of my favorite products I have been using in the months of March and April. And I know it's not quite May yet, but I filmed it and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. But let's get into the vlog. I'm actually gonna go see what my hubby is doing. Let me just turn off my filming light here. Sneak peek to my products. Ooh. Oh, he's studying. Let me try this granola. Mmm. Nom nom nom. What are you guys doing out here? Really cold. Actually, I'm gonna change because I need to get started on bathing the dogs. So I'm gonna take you guys upstairs and see what I'm gonna wear. So let's see, look at my newly organized drawer. So I'm gonna put on I'm gonna put on some blue leggings, and I'm also gonna put on this and this t-shirt. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed seeing a little casual insight into my life on this Saturday. And we're gonna actually have some dinner now, which is chicken and some cauliflower rice. And we're gonna just relax. Whoops. I bathed Lily. Let me show you her. Lily, can you say hi? You're all clean now. You're all clean, yeah. Yeah. She's just really hungry now. But yeah, she's all clean. I haven't done Buddy yet, but I might do him later tonight, or I might do him tomorrow. I'm just tired now, so I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye, friends. Bye.